Hey, what's up guys? This is Youthman. In this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of this box. I have actually no idea what it is. Normally, a company will send me something and I know in advance what it is, but I've already received all the product from Monoprice, so I'm actually curious what's inside this box. Part of me has a feeling it might have something to do with my previous video called I'm Mad at Monoprice. And so if you haven't seen that video, I'll link to it right up here in the card above. But let's go ahead and just open it and find out what's inside.
Let's see what it is. Not a speaker.
You don't think it's a speaker? How come?
Too light.
Too light? Yeah, it's not a real heavy box.
Okay, you got it.
All right, let's see. A bunch of packaging. They did not do that. All right, so hold on. So here we have a roll of duct tape. So if you don't know the story, well, go watch the video. You'll find out. So we got a roll of duct tape. Oh my goodness, they did some wipes to clean off my speaker. That's pretty awesome of them. And we've got some earplugs. So this is for me, my wife, for my neighbors.
And apology letter.
You think that's the apology letter? Oh my goodness, so it does. It says apology letter. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. All right, let's see what it says. It's on official Monoprice letterhead. Dear Youthman, our sincerest apologies for the partial destruction of your home theater room. We have sent your requested items in the hopes that it may help you tidy up, rebuild, and move forward. However, we do not regret to inform you that we will continue to make our subwoofers even more awesome, but will evaluate whether a use at your own risk warning label is appropriate. Regards, Hobie Seacrest, Department of Bass Management. Very cool. Now they also sent me something else here. Oh my goodness, you guys, you gotta see this. Let's slide that box out of the way. Monoprice sent me a robot vacuum.
That's a smart one too.
It's a smart, I don't even know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
It says wireless smart robot vacuum. Guys, this is awesome. If you haven't seen the video, go definitely check that out. It was just a fun video. Monoprice, so far I have been incredibly impressed at the M215 subwoofer. A lot of output. I'll be doing a full review on that probably in the next week or two. And so be sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you'll be notified when I release that video. But thank you so much for this. This is pretty awesome. You guys have been great to work with. Love your products. I've been using Monoprice products for pretty much a long time, probably about 12 years when we started building our home theater. At that time, really all I had used Monoprice for was cables. I've been kind of an advocate for their cables, speaker cables, their interconnect cables, because they produce quality cables, but they're not real expensive. A lot of guys will try to sell you just these really ridiculous, $2,000 speaker cables and interconnect cables, and I just think that's kind of nonsense personally. But Monoprice has always made great products. I've used their TV mounts for my girls' bedrooms. They've both got a TV in there, so I've used their TV mounts. Pretty affordable in that respect. But anyway, but now they're making speakers, home theater equipment, and iRobot kind of stuff. So man, super excited to get this set up. And but anyway, guys, hope you guys have a blessed week. And again, thanks Monoprice for hooking me up with some wipes, some duct tape, and the apology letter.
And most important, the earplugs for the family.
And some earplugs. All right, guys, hope you have a blessed week, and we'll catch you in the next video. That was awesome of them, man. It's hard. I don't have a...
Youthman here got this package in the mail, and he needs to open it, but he has to do a video for some reason. I just say, open the box.
Open the box. All right, let's do it.